Hello there. Welcome to the Cloud Hotel. How can I help you today? You would like to check in, and you have a reservation? May I ask, how was that reservation made? So I mean, did you make it here in person or online through a travel agent, or perhaps through, you called us? Perfect. Yes, I just need to clarify in order to make sure I'm finding you from the right server. Yes, there are certain benefits for booking through travel agents. Sometimes, you get to collect points with certain services, but at the end of the day, it is much more convenient to book directly through us, and sometimes we have special discounts that those travel agencies will not get. Indeed. And your the service that you get is much more expedited because we get to do everything from our end instead of referring to them all the time. But no matter, let me just go ahead and find your reservation. Can you go ahead and give me your first and last name and spell it out for me, please? Okay. Alright. And it seems like you have a party of 2? Oh. I see, so just you then. Well, I'm sure you will have a great time despite being alone. I'm sure you will still be able to do a lot of really fun things here. There's definitely a plethora of unique experiences around us, as well as within our hotel. Definitely. Let me just make a note. It seems that your reservation includes inclusive breakfast on all 4 days of your stay. Yes, so those breakfasts are for 2 packs. So would you like for me to get a refund for you for the 4 breakfasts, basically? Yes, we can do a refund. It might take up to 5 to 7 business days, or I can just basically give you credit, store credit, hotel credit, really. And you can put that credit towards perhaps a lovely spa day for yourself, or some lunch perhaps at our Terrace Cafe, for instance. Yes, we do have a cocktail bar. Of course. They're mixed drinks, so they're cocktails. Sure. Well, it seems that they have an old-fashioned Manhattan, Moscow Mule, apologies, Bloody Mary, a French martini, strawberry daiquiri, mojito, cosmopolitan, lemon drop, and Negroni. Are any of those what you're looking for? They serve to 10. They're open until 10:30. I see. Well, like I mentioned, you could have that go to a massage, perhaps at our spa, the Cloud Spa, or at the Terrace Cafe for lunch or dinner. You probably would still have to pay for the dinner because it's quite expensive at our restaurant. It is quite a luxurious experience, though. Yes, it's fine dining, right? So you would have to pay extra on top of what is being apologies, on top of what is being refunded to you, but it is a great experience. Certainly. Well, before we continue, would you like to have a glass of water, perhaps? Of course. This is infused with lemon. And I should have a coaster around here. Here you go. Enjoy. And okay, so for the spa. Right, well, before we continue with booking your spa, let me just finalize your check-in process. Just make a note of this. All right. And can you confirm your birth date with me? Perfect. All right, and it seems that let me see. You don't have a mobile number here with us. You have a temporary one? Sure, won't you just go ahead and... Alright, perfect. Just in case anything comes up, then we can contact you. And it seems that we have your email address on hand as well. Perfect. Sorry, what was that? Oh, okay. Yes, we do have a business lounge. It is on the 2nd floor. Yep, you will get access to our business lounge with, you know, high-speed Wi-Fi, computers, the likes, coffee, of course. You will also have access to our pool. That's on the 6th floor. It overlooks the ocean. Yeah, and then we also have our, what was it? The gym. Yes. Yes, the pool is outdoors. Unfortunately, we do not have an indoors pool, but I think that given the view you'll have, I think it's definitely worth a visit, even if you are an indoors kind of person. Yep. Okay. Just go ahead. And, okay, so as for this spot, we have 4 options here to share with you. So the Cloud Spa, it's by reservation only, so you'll have to go through Leah, or you can call them, of course, or visit them. So there's the Royal Thai massage, and the sweetest massage, the hot stone massage, and then a foot massage. It's definitely not exactly an enormously robust offering that we have, because we want to concentrate on the services that we know our masseuse can really expertly provide, if that makes sense to you. So, do you know anything about massages? Do these like kind of already give you an image in your mind? Certainly. Well, essentially, the Royal Thai massage, I'll just read it out for you. Using traditional therapeutic techniques, the Royal Thai massage uses acupressure and Ayurvedic mastery to allow for passive stretching. Essentially, have you ever seen pictures of massage parlors where the patron is being kind of like pulled and like kneaded? It's like that. It's intense. I would say that this is perfect for people who feel weary, who feel sore, and want something to kind of like give them that stretch and relief. As for pain, yes, I would say that this does give quite a pleasant ache in terms of the stretching, but you can always tell the masseuse, and they will of course either lessen the pressure, the force. Certainly. Okay, well, that comes in 60 minutes or 90 minutes, and as written here, a foot massage is included in any of the 90 minutes package. Speaking of the foot massage, it is our signature kind of treatment. A lot of people come here for that. It is perfect just to relieve that soreness from your feet, whether that be from, you know, hiking at any local spots or from shopping until you're dropping. Yeah, it's wonderful. It's just a very pleasant experience. You can drink tea while it occurs. Yeah. The Swedish, why do I say that weird? Apologies. This classic massage will have you melting with the use of calming organic oils and expert kneading techniques. So yes, this is a lot softer. It's very classic, a very classic sort of full body back massage. A lot of like kneading and oils. Yes, and as for the hot stone massage, this one comes in 30 minutes or 60 minutes. So it's an iconic sort of massage, right, with the hot stones. It helps to ease your tense muscles, of course, like any massage would, and and help with your damaged soft tissues. And with the heat and the pressure, it increases your lymphatic flow. Yeah, it helps with pain relief, you know, just a little bit of heat, kind of like a sauna. The 90 minutes royal Thai. You want to give that a shot? Sure. And that would include the foot massage. Great. Well, that is going to be, oh, well, you will have to pay for $20. Yeah, that's the access. That works. Perfect. And when would you like that to be for? Okay. All right, sounds great. Well, I'm going to email you a confirmation letter on that. And we will remind you of it. And if anything comes up, be sure to just call. You can call the spa directly or over here to the front desk. Yep, and we will help you out, sort you out if anything comes up. And let's see. Okay, and would you like the access to be charged to your card, on the card that we have on hand? Perfect. Okay. Yep, you will be able to finalize all of the charges made when you are checking out. Yep. If you incur any other costs. Okay, well, speaking of which, about incurring costs, I will need you to sign this. It basically, you can read it if you like, but it basically just makes sure that you have thoroughly read, well, let me mark it out for you, this clause, which is to tell you that there is no smoking is prohibited throughout our entire hotel, the premises. And then over here just states that any costs incurred will be charged to you on the payment method that you have with us, or if you are paying, I don't know, cash check or anything like that, we will have the rights to be able to charge you or pursue legal action, that kind of stuff. It is unfortunate that we have to just thrust this upon you, but of course it is the rules. So if you would go ahead and just sign that for me. Just confirm all of these. Great, perfect. Now we'll take that to file and and I will prepare your card for you. Perfect. And just make a note. So you will be on the 16th floor. 1605. The ocean view. And your Wi-Fi password is going to be your last name. And then the passcode is, let me just generate it. It's going to be a series of 4 letters. Okay, so it's going to be ASMR. Wonderful. And this will get you access to all our facilities. Yep. The Terrace Cafe. Yes, I thoroughly recommend it for lunch, brunch, light dinner kind of thing. You'll like to see their menu? Certainly. I have it right here. Would you like for me to read it for you? Wonderful. All right, so the Terrace Cafe, that is by the, well, how do I call it? It's facing the ocean towards the, I apologize, it's escaping me. Yes, the east wing. Apologies for that. It confuses me sometimes, the cardinal directions. But yes, so we have the starters. Includes the house salad, bacon wrapped tomato skewers. That's very delicious. Do you have any dietary? Okay. Vegetable gyoza. A burrata plate. So it's a cheese plate kind of thing. A burrata. You know what that is? Yep. So it comes with some grapes, some tomatoes, bell peppers, roasted of course, and some toast. It's very delicious. And butternut squash ravioli. A lot of people come here just to get a taste of our starters, so we make sure to include quite a plethora or variety of different dishes. For our soups, we have tomato bisque, cream of mushroom, French onion soup. And I'll move on to the mains now. We have a Reuben sandwich. We have a balsamic glazed pork chop, pan-seared salmon, a coq au vin, braised beef, spring chicken, and a pan-fried tofu steak. Yep, so that's the vegan option. And as for dessert, we have honey yogurt panna cotta, we have a lemon tart, creme brulee, and a cheesecake. It does sound like a very, very scrumptious menu, doesn't it? You'd like to make a reservation? Of course, I can help you with that. And for when? Tomorrow. And what time would that be? All right. Hold on just a moment. Yep. Okay, and just for one then. Okay. And I'll send you a confirmation on that as well. You can charge the bill to your room, of course. Okay, lovely. All right, is there anything else that I can help you with today? Yes, we do have a shuttle service. Fortunately, I ran out of the pamphlets. I'll have to print that. But essentially, we have a shuttle service to the Cloud Mall. It's a great, very, very vibrant mall with a lot of different stuff. You've got local cuisine. You've got, really like crafts. How do I say? Handcrafted products, souvenirs, and whatnot. that you can purchase, and then on the upper floors you can also find a lot of very luxurious stores, more high-end, expensive type. So there's something for everyone. Yes, I would say it's quite perfect for tourists, but a lot of locals go there as well. Certainly. Okay, so we have every 30 minutes there's a shuttle going there on the hour. So 9, 9:30, 10. Takes about 15 minutes to get there and 15 minutes back. So the minutes, and it operates from 8 to 6. So unfortunately, we had to shorten our shuttle service hours. Hopefully we can get it back up, but it used to run until like 9. But if you want to come back, you can let us know and we can arrange you know, a e-hailing service for you or anything. You can call us. We can. Yep, perfect. There you go. And is there anything else, any other questions I can help answer? Yes, so room service, you will have the menu in your room. If you would like for me to read it out for you, I can as well. You'll figure it out yourself. Well, that's wonderful. Well, if there's nothing else that I can help you with today, I hope you have a great stay here. Of course. Oh, some hand sanitizer for you. Of course, here you go. Well, I hope you have a pleasant rest of your stay here at the Cloud Hotel, and I hope to see you around. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately. No, I don't think they were particularly sad about it. I think just something came up, so they had to come themselves. I'll probably still go, yeah. I mean, if I've already taken the time out of my day, out of work and everything to visit a place, I would go all out. Wouldn't you? Oh, I need to print bus shuttle. Would you do that for me? Fine, I'll do it myself. Oh, right. To be honest, I don't know if the cocktail menu was the most, like, updated. Oh, well. Check. Cocktail menu. I wonder if they can, like, make drinks as requested. I would have to ask. Oh, I'll just go ask in person.